I'm going to have a unboxing video. Not anything that ain't never been done before. If this is published, I do have permission to do this, although I don't need it. I sought it. So I got a notification today that I had a order, that my order had been delivered, and the order is from Chris Killinger. If you're a subscriber to his channel, which is Killinger, or you've seen his products, you're in the axe community, possibly the chainsaw community, you have seen his products around. So what got my attention from him, from his channel, the Adirondack handle pattern. And I got to watching that, looking at that Adirondack handle pattern, and got to looking around on his channel and subscribed. A lot of good axe hanging, hafting, things of that nature. A lot of good vintage axe information. Good bit of chainsaw stuff, homesteading, firewooding. But anyway, along the way, subscribed and learned a lot, enjoyed it a lot, and I decided to try one of his handles. If you're watching this channel, you're a pretty hardcore axe man, or you stumbled on this one. And a lot of hardcore guys do use Mr. Killinger's handles, and I thought I'd give one a try. I've not opened the box yet. Have no idea what we're going to find, but I've got some assumptions. Here on the bench, I have an Otson Koff factory produced handle, which is hickory. It has a head on it, and that is a literal wedge banging axe. They come very thick, and right beside it is an Ames. I happen to live in very close proximity to an axe handle factory, so and it's not select. We got a knot right there, so knots up in here. But anyway, and I got a set of calipers here, and we'll do some comparisons. This is considered a second. It's a 32-inch single bit, and we'll go ahead and get right to it. The package is in good condition. I assume this is a mark either from Chris or the carrier. I don't know. Nice little box, nice tape job. There she be. Oh, it's thin. I'm really excited. I'm super excited, as a matter of fact. Little decal there. Something's hopping around. Look at that. That's a bonus. I didn't expect that. Thank you, Mr. Killinger. I don't know if he's trying to tell me I don't know how to make a good wedge, or just it's a very polite gesture. Either way. Very nice. Got some packing down in the end of the box. I'm going to open that up just to make sure I've exhausted everything. That's it. Wow. for hidden messages. I don't see anything, nothing that's real apparent just yet. I may have missed it, but anyway. Well, beautiful wedge, straight grain wedge, nicely sanded. It's nice, very nice. Oh man, well, we're about 16 millimeters right here. That is super fun. This is the thinnest handle I've ever experienced. So up here, heading up the handle here, I'm at 19 millimeters. Fawn's foot's beautiful. The grain orientation is very nice. And there's just a slight twist in it, and nothing I can't deal with. That is very nice. Very nice. I'm impressed. I am satisfied. And I broke many a handle, and I'll probably break this one. I'll probably swing it easy for a while until I get used to it. That is very nice, Mr. Killinger. Very nice indeed. I'm just really excited. I may leave that fawn's foot large like that. Oh, I'm excited. All right. Well, I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing. I'll definitely be doing some chopping footage. I just can't imagine that. My fingers are broader than the handle. That's amazing. So in comparison, this factory Ames handle, it's twice as thick, and got a big knot right there. Wow, that's just amazing. I hope I'm doing that justice. Get over here. That's just amazing. And then we'll hold it like this in this orientation with an arch and cough. And like I say, there's a lot of meat on the arch and cough. They usually have to be thinned out, but that's amazing. Look down in this area right here. That is amazing. I'm excited. That's awesome. Well, that's a Killinger handle. As to Mr. Killinger, he's been very helpful to me. He's been very tolerant. A lot of times I don't know when to be quiet. I just keep talking on and on and on, and you guys may be grinning about that. But as far as YouTube goes, he's been a good friend to me. I appreciate him for that. To actually hold this in my hands makes me appreciate him all the more, to know, you know, what he thinks, his ideas about things, and Mr. Kevin Kvetch, him talking about these fine Killinger handles, man, I know now. As the saying goes, I was there now. I can't wait. This is what's going on it. This is a Council Tool jersey. This came out of Kentucky. I don't think it's ever been used. It's a Council Tool jersey. I think it's a 3.5 or 3.25 pound head. That's what's going on there. Well, thank you for watching. I've drawn it out, starting to ramble. I'm very impressed. This thing is beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. I'm excited. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Mr. Killinger.